Make $1,000+ US a day. As beginner forex trader. Welcome to the exciting world of forex trading, where the potential to make significant profits, even as a beginner, is within reach. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to get started in forex trading, essential strategies for success, and how you can leverage the expertise of Pip Hunter's Forex Signal channel to maximize your trading profits consistently. Understanding forex trading. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, making it one of the most liquid and accessible financial markets worldwide. The primary goal of forex trading is to profit from fluctuations in currency exchange rates. Traders speculate on whether a currency will strengthen or weaken against another, aiming to buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low for short positions. Getting started as a beginner. 1. Choosing a reliable broker. The first step in your forex trading journey is selecting a reputable broker. Look for brokers regulated by trustworthy financial authorities, as they provide a level of security for your funds and ensure fair trading practices. Consider factors such as trading platforms offered, transaction fees, customer support, and the range of currency pairs available. 2. Opening a trading account. Once you've chosen a broker, open a trading account that suits your needs. Most brokers offer different types of accounts, such as standard, mini, or micro accounts, depending on your initial investment size and risk tolerance. It's advisable to start with a demo account initially to practice trading without risking real money. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the trading platform and develop your trading strategies. 3. Understanding the basics of forex trading. Before diving into live trading, it's essential to understand some fundamental concepts. Currency pairs. In forex trading, currencies are quoted in pairs, e.g., EUR, USD, GBP, JPY. The first currency in the pair is the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. The exchange rate indicates how much of the quote currency is needed to purchase 1 unit of the base currency. Pips. A pip, percentage in point, is a unit of measurement for the change in value between two currencies. Most currency pairs are quoted to 4 decimal places, with a pip representing the smallest incremental move in the exchange rate. Strategies for success. 1. Risk management. Effective risk management is crucial to long-term success in forex trading. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. This conservative approach helps protect your account from significant losses and allows you to withstand market volatility. 2. Technical analysis. Technical analysis involves studying historical price charts and using various technical indicators to forecast future price movements. Common technical indicators include moving averages. These smooth out price data to identify trends over specific periods. Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the speed and change of price movements. Fibonacci retracements identify potential support and resistance levels based on Fibonacci ratios. Technical analysis helps traders identify entry and exit points based on historical price patterns and market trends. 3. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies that impact currency values. Key factors to consider include interest rates. Changes in interest rates influence currency values. Economic reports. GDP growth, employment data, and inflation reports can provide insights into a country's economic health. Geopolitical events. Political instability or geopolitical tensions can affect currency markets. Combining technical and fundamental analysis helps traders make informed decisions and anticipate market movements. Leveraging Pip Hunter's Forex Signal channel. As a beginner trader, you can accelerate your learning curve and start making money by joining Pip Hunter's Forex Signal channel. This channel provides accurate trading signals that guide traders on potential entry and exit points in the market. Whether you're trading part-time or full-time, these signals can help you optimize your trading strategy and maximize your profits. Pip Hunters offers both free and VIP signal channels. Free signals provide basic trading opportunities, while VIP signals offer more detailed analysis and higher accuracy. By following these signals, you gain access to expert analysis and insights, enhancing your trading decisions and profitability. Conclusion: Forex trading offers tremendous opportunities for financial independence, but success requires dedication, continuous learning, and disciplined execution of trading strategies. By starting with a solid understanding of Forex basics, implementing effective risk management, and leveraging technical and fundamental analysis, you can increase your chances of achieving consistent profits. Joining Pip Hunter's Forex Signal channel further enhances your trading journey by providing reliable trading signals and expert guidance. Whether you're new to Forex trading or looking to improve your skills, Pip Hunters offers a valuable resource to help you navigate the complexities of the Forex market and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide to making 1,000 plus a day as a beginner Forex trader. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and join Pip Hunter's Forex Signal channel through the link in the description to start your journey to financial success today.